Hi, stargazers. Imagine looking up at the night sky and realizing, the moon! It's gone! What happens to Earth if our closest cosmic neighbor just vanishes? Exactly how important is the moon for life on Earth? The first and most obvious change would be the tides. The moon's gravity pulls on the Earth's oceans, creating the daily rise and fall of tides. Without the moon, the sun would still cause smaller tides, but they'd be less than half as strong. And that might not sound so bad, but ocean ecosystems like coastal wetlands and tidal zones depend on strong, regular tides. Without them, many plants and animals would lose their habitats and food chains would collapse. The obvious example of this would be sea turtles. Baby sea turtles depend on the moon to light their way to the ocean, so without it, they may not be able to reach their home after hatching. Another important thing to note, the moon also acts like a stabilizer for Earth's axial tilt. Right now, Earth tilts about 23.5 degrees, which is why we have seasons. Without the moon's gravitational influence, Earth's tilt could wobble wildly over long periods of time, sometimes just a few degrees, other times tilting as much as 45 degrees. That tilt would alter the amount and intensity of sunlight on Earth, meaning dramatic climate shifts like ice ages, extreme heat waves, and unpredictable seasons. In short, the moon helps keep our planet's climate relatively stable. Without it, we'd be in for a very bumpy ride. And of course, nights would also be much darker if there were no moon. The moon reflects sunlight as the second brightest object in the sky after the sun. Without it, the night sky would be lit only by stars and the occasional planet. That might sound peaceful, but animals that rely on moonlight, like migrating birds and nocturnal predators, would lose an important natural guide. Even humans might have developed differently if the moon hadn't been there to light the night sky. Without the moon, life on Earth might never have developed the way it did in the first place. Some scientists believe that the moon's stabilizing effect on Earth's tilt was critical in creating a relatively mild, steady climate, perfect for life to evolve. So next time you look up at the moon, remember it's not just a pretty object in the night sky. Our lunar neighbor shapes the tides, steadies our climate, lights our nights, and contributes to the existence of life on Earth. So stargazers, as usual, keep looking up, just, maybe now with new appreciation for the moon. Do you want to know more about the night sky, space exploration, astronomy? Let us know down in the comments what you want to know, and in the meantime, click this video to learn more.